So you're thinking about moving to Manzanita, Oregon, at the base of Nehalem Mountain. Well, in this video, I'm gonna take you around Manzanita, take you around Nehalem, show you different properties at different price points, maybe take you a little downtown. And if you stick around till the end, I'm gonna share one gem about Manzanita you're definitely going to see. And we're gonna get after it right now. Hey, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about eating, sleeping, working, playing, the good and the bad of living on the Oregon coast, Manzanita, Nehalem, anywhere on the Oregon coast, then subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market on the coast. My name is Eddie, and I get calls, emails, texts every single day from people just like you looking to make a move to the coast. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email so I can help you make a smooth move to the Oregon coast. Today, we are gonna get after it right now. We are here at the edge of Manzanita Avenue, and you're gonna see all along here, as we drive, you're gonna see all of the different shops. You've got vacation rental places, you've got realty shops, you've got your main grocery store, you've got little restaurants, cafes, different things that you're gonna be able to experience here in Manzanita, and it's awesome. But the biggest thing is there's just not a lot of property available. So you can see this way, this goes to downtown. And if I go this way, that's right to the beach. I'm a block away from the beach right here at Marzano Pizza and Pies. And here's the thing, if you're trying to be downtown or close to Manzanita, good luck. There's not a lot available. At the time of this taping, in February of 2024, there are 2 houses within a couple blocks of here, and they are over $1 million. So we're gonna take you to those places. There's another new construction outside of town a little bit, and there's some other places just in Nehalem. So we're gonna take you around and show you all those. But this is the main strip of Manzanita. You could check out the drone footage, you could check out the walking footage and the driving footage, but this is basically the very bottom of Manzanita Avenue, and we're just gonna go around and check everything out. Let's go. Here we are on the corner of Manzanita and 2nd Avenue, 220 and 240 Manzanita Avenue, 1 block off Manzanita. This is a 5-bed, 6-bath, 3,400 square foot complex. It's got 2 places on it. It is a legal triplex. It's a corner lot. It's a block from Manzanita. It's 4 blocks from the beach. It is right in the middle of Manzanita, the village of Manzanita. And you are right at the foothills of Nehalem Mountain. This is all you'd want if you're in Manzanita, but you're gonna have to foot the bill of 1.3 milli here in Manzanita. We're gonna go to step number 2 here in a bit. House number 2, 120 South 3rd Street. This is a $1.9 million facility because it's not just the house. It is on Manzanita Avenue. So right here, Manzanita Avenue, this is gonna be your downtown street. It takes you through all the shops, all the restaurants, right to the beach. Right here, this house, it is gonna be roughly a 50 square foot house, 3-bed, 2-bath, but it's on a double lot. So you got this lot and this lot, and it's gonna be commercial zoning as well. So there's a lot of different things that you can use on this property. But that price point of $1.9 million, that is what you can expect if you're right downtown or even anywhere close to the center of the village of Manzanita, right at the foothills of the Nehalem Mountain. This is what you can get. This is beautiful, this is awesome, and we are right here. I mean, this is right downtown. This is right before Manzanita Avenue drops down into the beach. This is where you're gonna wanna be most all the time, but at a price tag of 1.9, and we move on. Well, the one thing you wanna make sure is, can I go golfing? Well, yes, Manzanita Links right here. Built and designed by Ted Erickson in 1987. This is a 9-hole course. You can get on here for as cheap as $30 to $50 for a round. And they got contactless tee time registration. It's a beautiful spot. Come check it out here in Manzanita. Another cool thing about Manzanita is here along Carmel Avenue, they've got this walking and cycling lane on the side of the road. So there's people walking, biking, walking their dog, taking runs, doing jogs, whatever, along this road. They don't ever have to worry about not having a shoulder. This is something that a lot of coastal towns don't have, and this is so cool that you're gonna get this here in Manzanita. And you may be wondering what it's like to just walk around in Manzanita. Well, it's flat, casual streets, just like this. I mean, this is perfect. Now, so many of these homes are vacation rentals. There's not a lot of people around. There are people bustling around when it comes to downtown and near the beach, but this is just a normal city street. I'm just walking right down the middle of the road. I don't really have anything to worry about. It's really what you're gonna expect most months in Manzanita. Now, when the heavy season comes in May through September, it's gonna get a lot more crowded because of tourism, and then everybody comes and actually visits their house. But right now, middle of February on a beautiful day, can't get any better. Or you're gonna go shopping for groceries right behind me, Manzanita Grocery and Deli. It's a great place. It's got meats, it's got vegetables, it's got everything you're gonna need. Basics, if you're not gonna shoot up to Seaside or go down to Tillamook, this is gonna be the place you wanna go. You might go to Nehalem, but this is probably the place you're gonna walk to go if you're in Manzanita. Check it out. And here's a couple other places that you're definitely going to check out when you're in Manzanita. You got the North Tillamook Library. This is a wonderful public service library. And then right behind me, I've got the Hoffman Center for the Arts. This place is going to knock your socks off. They've got all kinds of different programs and events and things that you can come do right here in Manzanita, right on Laneda Drive. Here it is. Boom. Maybe you want a new construction. Well, here in the Highlands of Manzanita is a brand new subdivision just above the golf course, about 3 to 4 minutes from downtown Manzanita and the beach. This is 538 Meadows. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,600 square foot house. It's got a modern take. They call this the Ramini, but this is a wonderful place that you can get into. And the other cool thing about this one is it's going for $875,000, which is below budget for a normal place here in Manzanita. But the other cool thing is they're offering a 2-1 ARM where you can get a 4.5% interest rate for the next 2 years. So check it out. This is a beautiful place. Propane fireplace, instant water heater, brand new right here in Manzanita. This is an option. And this Highlands neighborhood, there's all kinds of new construction going on. There's a new foundation right there. These guys are framing up a house right here. There's lots all over here. So if you want to build a spot or you want to be in Manzanita, but you don't want to spend, $1.9 million to be right downtown, these are great options, and you could build your own place right here in the Highlands of Manzanita. You may just want to know, how much does it cost to just get a lot? Well, this is a 6,000 square foot lot. This is a standard city lot, and this is going for $210,000. So if you wanted to build your own spot, get a builder, design it, you could save yourself a lot of money, and a lot of equity would go back into your pocket if you just buy your own lot and go through the process of building, which I've got a ton of information and experience doing. This is the option I would probably go. I know it'd take a little bit longer, but anywhere along the coast, you're paying either somebody else's equity or you can build your own equity if you have the patience and the time. This is a good option. There are loan options for that, but here in Manzanita, a nice lot here in Highlands subdivision, the brand new development right above the golf course, it's gonna be about $210,000 for a 6,000 square foot lot. Well, here we are at the Highlands at Manzanita. There's 82 total lots. There's a ton of houses that have been built. There's houses that are gonna be built. It's a great option if you're trying to buy a lot and build your house on it. These lots are going anywhere between $200,000 and $220,000 standard, 6,000 square foot lot, And look at these beautiful houses. They're doing modern style houses, craftsman style houses. They've got all types of houses going up. You can jump in that pool, have them build your house, or buy a lot and design your own house, put it on the lot, and have your wonderful vacation second or primary residence here, Highlands at Manzanita. Now we dropped into Nehalem. This is 35915 11th Street here in Nehalem. This one's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,300 square foot house. It's going for about $500,000, $499. And when you're in Nehalem, which is just a couple miles from Manzanita, you're gonna get a little bit more bang for your buck. This is a double lot, corner lot. It's also got this garage shed detached that you can use and utilize. But Nehalem's gonna be a better buy if you wanna be in that vicinity of the Nehalem, Manzanita area than Manzanita. So this is a great option. We're gonna go to one more house here in Nehalem. Right in downtown Nehalem, right on Highway 101. It's 35690 North Highway 101. It is a 4-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,600 square foot house, and it's going for $365,000 right here in the heart of Nehalem. So whether you wanna be in Nehalem or Manzanita, You got to decide, but the budget is going to be more favorable when you're in Nehalem. So check that one out. But that's what you can think of when you're looking at Nehalem or Manzanita, just a couple miles from the beach. Another cool spot is Wheeler, Oregon. It's just down the road from Nehalem, just south, just north of Rockaway Beach. It's a great little village right on the Nehalem Bay. And this is a place where you can come, check out some shops, maybe get something to eat, but it's a great place to visit. No current places here on the market, but if you could nab one, you'd have a great view of Nehalem Bay and Neahkahnie Mountain right to the north. And the gym that is Manzanita is this. The beach, Neahkahnie Mountain. You've got Laneda Avenue that goes all the way up to downtown behind me. And then you got Ocean Road right here, all the way down, almost to the base of Neahkahnie Mountain. This is it. This is the glory of Manzanita. If you're gonna be in Manzanita and you need help, boots on the ground, don't hesitate. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. People just like them, people just like you can get in here and take a look at what Manzanita has to offer. My name's Eddie, Oregon Life Homes. Let's make this the best day ever.